everyone, Ishan Dhani here, Engineering Physics Part 4, and I'm the General Secretary of the Cultural Council.
I'm Sanskriti Chaudhary, Ceramic Engineering Part 3. I'm the current Joint General Secretary of the Cultural Council.
I'm Abhirup Goswami, a Pharmaceutical Engineering and Technology third year, and the current Joint General Secretary of the Cultural Council.
The Cultural Council organizes various events and activities throughout the year. For the freshers, the big one is going to be Agman, where you will get a flavor of all the different art forms that are practiced by the clubs. Then there's Kashi Yatra, our annual cultural festival. Then there's Cultural Weekend. Also, all the individual clubs have their individual events as well, and we also plan workshops throughout the year. So if you're interested, make sure to contribute, and it's a lot of fun organizing and participating in these events and activities. Being in clubs, you get to explore your talents. You also get an opportunity to showcase and participate in events. Also, you can develop a new skill set here, or you can hone your own skills other than academics, and that's really fun. But for me, the most fun part is the camaraderie of it all, and you really develop some tight friendships and relationships with your peers, seniors, and juniors. And these are the memories that are really priceless, and you cherish them even long after you leave college. A lot goes into development of a person's character, and extracurricular activities are really important for a person's well-being, both physical as well as mental. So that's why the Cultural Council is here. Through various events, activities, festivals, it brings a sense of community and belonging, and you also learn various life skills. You learn communication skills, you work in teams, you learn management, you learn teamwork, and these are really essential life hacks. And you also develop tight relationships with the people you're working with, your peers, your seniors, your juniors. So that's why the Cultural Council was formed.
The Cultural Council consists of 7 clubs. The Dance Club, popularly known as Dance Freaks or DFZ, is for anyone who is willing to move his or her body a bit to the rhythm. The Fine Arts Club, commonly known as FAC, promotes all aspects of fine arts among the students. The Indian Music Club, in short IMC, allows students to pursue various genres of music like Indian classical, qawwalis, Sufi, etc. The Literary Club, popularly known as the Lit Club, focuses primarily on the arts related to language, both spoken and written. The Quiz Club or QC, as the name suggests, holds quizzes primarily on 6 genres: General, India, MELA, that is Music, Entertainment, Literature and Arts, Sports, Science and Business. The Theatre Club, popularly known as Masquerades, is a culmination of dramatic enthusiasts who pursue a plethora of imitating and burlesque skills through various art forms like stage play, street play, mime, etc. Last but not the least, we have the Western Music Club, fondly known as the WMC. They play the music they love and like to explore new genres of music. To know more about these clubs, you can visit the Cultural Council's website, culturalcouncil.iitbhu.com. Coming to the achievements of the Council, our debating team has been a quarter-finalist in one of the world's biggest competitions. We won multiple outfests, including those in Bombay, Delhi, Kanpur with Spilani and many more. In the 2018 Inter-IIT Cultural Meet held at IIT Roorkee, IIT BHU bagged 3 gold, 3 silver and 5 bronze and stood 5th in the overall tally. Ranking up a notch, in the Inter-IIT Cultural Meet 4.0 of 2019 held at IIT Bombay, IIT BHU stood 4th in the overall tally by winning 3 gold, 8 silver and 3 bronze medals.
Your confidence, your social skills, and your creative thinking. These are what will be your friends for your entire life. And these are what we, at the Cultural Council, own. You'll see multiple opportunities through events and workshops to work in your art, to improve your interpersonal and leadership skills. And don't worry, There are numerous events where you'll have the chance to represent your college on both national and international platforms. Here, I would quote Maya Angelou: "You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have." A final message that we have for all of you is enjoy, mess around, try out every little thing that you can. These years of college are what will end up shaping you as a person, and the growth that you'll experience during your time here. You won't have the fortune of getting that anytime later. So take advantage of it. Explore as much as you can. Try out every club that is there. All you need is a bit of interest. All the best. Welcome to ITPHU.